Hi, it's Adrienne, and I'm back with another green look since we're getting so close to St. Patrick's Day, and I'm trying out a new product as well. So I thought we'd go ahead and get started. And I am using my Lifter foundation from Maybelline. I have mine in 112. And going ahead and mixing it with the essence, and this is the Drops of Sunshine highlighter. So I went ahead and mixed that. Go ahead and get my base. I also use the NYX Bear With Me as far as my concealer today. And Lifter is really quickly becoming one of my favorite foundations here. As far as what I did for the bronzer today, I went ahead and used the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer. I have mine in Butterscotch, which is the second shade, so I went ahead and used that. And then I did go ahead and use the Soft Touch. This is by Essence, and this one, yeah, I don't think I can read that, but it's the Coral one. So it's a really pretty shade, and so that's what I have on for my blush today. The new product that I have, it's new to me, and this is the e.l.f. and it is the really pretty pink highlighter that they just came out with, and so that's what I have on, and this is Rush Money. So that's what's giving me the glow there. I did go ahead and use it as a topper on the blush, and then I also used it on the high points of the face as well. And I think it's turning out really pretty. I mixed I mixed everything I could find for the lips today. I do have the Chameleon lip gloss on. And I have a little bit, this one's from WetnWild, a little bit of the Peanuts Profusion on. And then I also used the e.l.f. lip oil as well. So I think it turned out kind of pretty and kind of fun. And I was expecting spring, and I got a spring snow instead. So yeah, that happens. I went and washed all my spring stuff, all my spring bedding and everything, and then I woke up to a snowstorm. So yeah, that's how spring goes around here. It's a lot of unexpected snowstorms, and yep, that's what happens. So I forgot, the Colourpop Grinch has a really good green row here. And it's really a grassy green rose. So I went ahead and used the darker green in the crease. This looks like a white, but it shifts green. Used it from there to there, and then there to there. And then on the lid, I went ahead and used this really pretty grassy green. I also used a Colourpop eyeliner as well. And so this is my eyeliner today. And I think it worked out pretty well. Here's how it looks. Now I also went ahead and redid my hair. And it takes a while because I have to color it and everything. And so instead of just coloring it today, I also used the Xmondo Super Gloss on it to go ahead and give it a whole bunch of shine. And I think it turned out pretty well. With these, if you're going to go ahead and use them, go ahead and rinse in cold to lukewarm water. And again, it has some bond builders in there. It makes your hair feel better, and it gives it a coat of gloss on there, which I think is really fun. And I really do like this product quite a lot. And then I did go ahead and use the Caici, and this is what I went ahead and used for my finishing, setting spray. For the finishing powder, I have the Dawn by Morphe. It's part of their Cloud Light group. And then the Caici one, which always, this is their golden setting spray, so I went ahead and used that on top of everything. And I also used it over here and over here. Right now, I'm growing out my hair, and I have all these little hairs that want to go ahead and stand straight up. And I find that if I use some setting spray on them, they go ahead and, stick to the other hair instead of sticking straight up. So dual purpose, and you can do this with just about any setting spray. Other than that, this e.l.f. is a really pretty pink, and yeah, it is actually, yeah, it has a lot of glow to it. I did have to build it up a little bit. Of course, I built up everything a little bit more because the camera doesn't, the camera washes, well, the lighting too washes away everything. And so I have a little bit more than I would normally put on, but I really, that's just a really pretty glow. So, yeah, definitely thinking that this one's a good product. And I think that's the video for today. So I hope that you have a great rest of a weekend and that you have a great week. So I'll see you later. Bye.